another product demo. Today we are here with Daniel, who is the production manager on our filter line. Now Dan, tell us a bit about our RedSafe.
Hello, first of all. Okay, this is our RedSafe, our Splatter guard that we manufacture here at IME Med. So first of all, here's the adapter. So procurement wise, we have adapters for each and every parameter in the field. Reason for that being is we can't do amendments on the mouthpiece itself because it will have an effect on the results, on the peak flow. So it's quite easy. It's a once-off payment for the adapter itself, and yeah, it gets sterilized and so forth after each and every day after medicals is done. So it's quite simple. Here's the mouthpiece filter. It gets adjusted on quite easily. So I'm just going to actually monitor this result I'm going to do now.
Let's do a test.
So yeah, the aim is actually to get it into the green for the healthier patients like me. We usually get it in the green. So let's just hope that this time it's the same scenario.
Teeth around the mouthpiece, seal your lips around there, make sure there's no air leakage. Let's go! Oh, that was not hard enough. Come on, more effort. I want effort.
Alright,
okay.
Test number 2.
And I'm gonna do my... Yes, okay, you see, motivation works better.
So this one was, where did it go?
It went to 550.
Oh, as you can see there, 550, that's brilliant.
Okay, so now we're going to do a fun little test. The water droplet test. Most of you who have seen our YouTube videos know of this. So we are going to pour water droplets into here to see what the water retention is. Obviously it's only going to stop a few droplets that get carried by breath, but let's test it to the max. Okay, for a full cup of water,
Nothing.
it's even bulging the bottom, but there is no leakage coming through here. Look at that amount of water that just came out of there. Woo! Alright,
Okay.
Taste passed.
And also the other mouthpieces we have, so this is the Splatter guard like I said, so we also have the bacterial, that is the blue mouth and the blue safe, which has a much better quality filter. And then we have launched this year our bacterial viral, which also has a much better quality filter. So yeah, thanks guys.